Hello, and welcome to Pro Investor. Today, I will be telling you about one of the most famous software used to store crypto, Trust Wallet. Why we should trust Wallet, is it safe, how to use it, tips, and much more. Trust Wallet is a decentralized exchange providing an encrypted and secure way to secure your crypto. It is free of cost to use, where you can trade in between a lot of cryptocurrencies. The step-by-step guide for installing and using Trust Wallet starts with first going to the Play Store and downloading the Trust Wallet app. Once you have downloaded the app, you will have two options, either create a new wallet or log in into an existing account. After creating a new wallet, you will get 12 keywords, which are very important, and you have to note them down somewhere safe, because you can only log in through those keywords on Trust Wallet in the future. Now you can use those keywords to log in. Now you will see that your wallet was successfully created. Opening the main user interface, you can see 4 settings in the bottom wallets: Dapps, DEX, and Settings. You can only see the main cryptocurrencies on the wallet, in this case Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Smart Chain. You can add as many cryptos as you want by searching for them and enabling them. You can not only store cryptos on Trust Wallet, but you can also buy these digital assets on the app by clicking on your selected coin and paying via having an account on MoonPay. In order to get your crypto on Trust Wallet from Binance, for example, simply click on the Receive button, then click on the coin you want to receive. You will receive an address that you need to copy. Now, open the exchange app from which you are transferring the coins from, in this case Binance. Now click on Withdrawal and paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet in the address section and enter the amount you want to transfer to Trust Wallet, and all of your coins are now in Trust Wallet. There are over 160,000 coins that you can buy and sell on Trust Wallet. You can also check the graphs for coins by simply searching for a coin and then clicking on the top right. There is an option for Dapps where you can view a lot of other decentralized exchanges as well, such as Pancake Swap, from where you can transfer your standard tokens to a major exchange such as Binance and then withdraw money from it. In this case, simply convert your coins to BNB, as it is easier to withdraw money via a BNB wallet on Binance. Next to it, by clicking on the DEX option, you can swap between coins. Quite cool, isn't it? Next to it, on the top right, you can see and exchange options through which you can sell cryptos and buy other ones. If you liked this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Share this with your friends so that they can know the benefits of using Trust Wallet, and hit the subscribe button to help our channel grow. Lastly, you have an option for settings on which you can click and select dark mode. Going to the security, you can choose a password, turn on notifications if you wish to, set price alerts for specific coins. Go to the preferences and change the currency to your local one, such as pounds instead of dollars. There is much more to Trust Wallet, but this covers all the basic stuff.